Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device meets requirements: iOS version, free storage, and a charged battery. Once done, you download the Panda Helper installer from a known source and sideload or tap the direct install. Make sure to allow installation of enterprise apps in settings so the profile can be trusted. You do this now so the app can run, otherwise it will be blocked. Proceed quickly but carefully, because this initial step sets up everything that follows. Once Panda Helper is installed and trusted, open it and grant the minimal permissions required. You will see curated categories and a searchable catalog. Use filters to sort by version or popularity so you find stable builds. Tap an app, read the description and changelog to confirm compatibility, then press install. While the app downloads and installs, keep the network active and avoid closing the installer. If an installation stalls, pause and retry after clearing. You finish by trusting the app profile so the installed app launches correctly. Go to Settings, General, Profiles, and trust the developer. Once launched, test core features and grant permissions as needed. For ongoing stability, update apps through Panda Helper rather than reinstalling. If a certificate is revoked, reinstalling often helps, or switch networks or use a VPN to reduce server checks. If that fails, remove conflicting profiles and reinstall. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.